Okay. Good morning, Anchal. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine. How about you?
Super. So I'm very happy to speak to you and to know about your success story, Anchal. Can you please let's start brief about yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Anchal Mughlani. I belong to Jammu and Kashmir, but settled in Mumbai now. I am a postgraduate in chemistry. I was working for a pharma company, research, long working hours, standing there in the lab, feet pain, back pain, anxiety, so many stress disorders, sleeplessness, so many issues were there, chemical fumes, sinusitis, then headaches. I wasn't able to conceive. So there were many laparoscopic surgeries suggested by my gynecologist. You will have to go through laparoscopic cleaning up of your fallopian tubes, and I'm not going into details of that. But then I felt that I need to cut down my stress. And what better than yoga? Then I started gaining weight because of stress, emotional eating, junk food, so many factors. I ended up watching YouTube videos, doing aerobics, Zumba, what kind, numerous kinds of workouts. Just was going mad, freaking out about losing my fat just because I wanted to conceive and have a baby. But then the reason behind was a baby that time. The bigger picture came into my mind when a boy taller than me, I guess he was elder than me that time. I was 26 years of age and he was approximately 29 or 30. He called me auntie. Auntie Zara Saidullah. That was the striking point. Auntie, I don't even have a kid. I am called an auntie. Do I really look like an auntie? That was a turning point. I just looked at myself, like scanned myself. Do I look like an auntie? Oh my God, that was unbearable for me. I said, no, I want to remain a Didi throughout my life. I want to be fit. Let it be, whatever it takes. So I just started remaining happy. I conceived. I have a daughter. She's 5 years now. I left my job. I turned into an entrepreneur. I run a coffee business in Navi Mumbai, all over corporates. So again, there was something that was missing, satisfaction. I was earning more than a lakh per month in the coffee business, but something was pulling me back. This is not what I want to be. I want to spread happiness. I want to be happy. I just can't be begging for my payments and follow-ups and all those things. So I just parted my ways with everything and joined a yoga class. The yoga class I joined was written a power yoga class on the board, but actually it wasn't a yoga class. The person who used
Power
to train
yoga.
has
You joined for power yoga class.
yes, it was written power yoga. So I was like, maybe it will be exciting power yoga, maybe some modification in yoga, some dancing or something interesting that you move out of your house for 1 hour and refresh your mood. So it was nothing like that. The trainer, I came to know about him later that he was a gym trainer for 15, 16 years somewhere in Andheri in Mumbai. And he used to make us do all the gada mazduri, thak, 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 weights, plank, lunge, and no special attention to anybody. Since it was my day one, he did not give me any personal attention that I need to welcome this new person and I need to take care of her since it's a day one. Everybody was treated equal. 200 squats, hold plank 3 minutes, 50 lunges, this, that. I was like depressed. No, this is not my cup of tea. I lost faith in yoga. Then going further, just started browsing Instagram, Facebook. I came across this Bodhi. I knew nothing about Bodhi. I just randomly contacted. Those positive vibes coming from Nikita ma'am who attended my call, briefed me about the course. I just wanted to know the anatomy, where I'm going wrong. And then suddenly lockdown started, online courses were there. So that was the point. I had to involve myself somewhere and landed up into this. And there were so many health issues by that time. My sinusitis was taking a toll on my mental health. My entire face used to pain. I used to feel like I just feel like dying. My entire face is paining. I'm not able to breathe. My head is blocked. My feet is paining. Back pain, cribbing, that negative atmosphere in my home. My daughter wants my attention and I'm just shouting at her. My husband wants something and I'm just shouting, screaming at him. So the entire thing somehow led me to gain the basic knowledge.
when
Someone
did
told
you-
me that meditation,
Anchal, I don't remember which month you joined last year in Bodhi.
August.
So you are August, September student.
Yes.
That means you are October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, April. So 6-7 months before you became trainer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So health issues you are saying, sinusitis, etc. Right? Any
Anxiety, relationships, anxiety attacks. I used to get anxiety attacks. I used to faint. I used to shiver. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया and chakkar आना चालू and vomitings and loose motions and bad anxiety attacks. And it was in 2019 that my father went through an open heart bypass surgery, and a doctor told me that it is in the genes. He got it in his 60s, you'll get it in your 40s. I was like, I'm not prepared for a heart attack or for a bypass surgery. I have to cut down all those excuses. I want good health, mental, physical, emotional, spiritual. I want overall well-being. So all those insecurities, financial insecurities, laziness, junk food, everything went away. That 1 month of 100 hours of training transformed me.
1 month training.
And then they will
1
1 month
month.
training,
So
100 hours. And then some,
level 1 you attended first.
yes,
Okay.
I attended August month for level 1, and then somehow, I don't know, maybe because of some wrong posture or getting overexerted, I got a knee pain. I wanted to pursue the 200 hours second month also, but that became a reason I couldn't pursue. I wanted rest. But there was something putting me back. I want to do. Because I was seeing the benefits. I was seeing the smile on my face. I was seeing the happy me. So when it was December, I guess, yes, December, I contacted the Bodhi team and pursued the second month also. And actually, after completing the 200 hours, after December, in Jan, Feb, March, April, it's been just 4 months. And students, I increased from 1 to 23 today. They're getting tremendous results.
23 students you have got. Now tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
you said you got health benefits. How is your health right now?
Perfect. Fit.
So you're like
My knee pain is gone.
You're like college girl, your school days type. You're fit 100%.
Exactly. I feel like a teenager. Yes, sir. I feel super energetic like a teenager. I'm up on my toes till 10, 11, 12 a.m.
Very good. One more
I
thing.
wake up fresh at 4:30.
Last year you were mentioning you gave up one bad habit. What is that?
Alcohol. Yes, sir. You still remember that. I was the person who was into depression. My husband is into bank job, so he used to take Sahara of alcohol on weekends. So I started giving him company, and a time came when he is having 4 pegs, I am having 5 pegs.
Oh my God.
My capacity was like exceeding. And then also my mind is not calm. I'm still not peaceful. I was like, मुझे चढ़ी नहीं रही है, ये है क्या? ये पानी है क्या? Then I realized, why the hell am I ruining my liver? When mental peace, happiness, contentment, satisfaction, all these things can come just by meditating for 5 minutes. Who knows what is inside? Who knows how long we are going to breathe? Why don't we enjoy the day we get? So every morning I wake up with a smile, thank God for the day, and deal with the day with a happy mood. That is what yoga
Fantastic.
has done to me
So your
personally.
health is improved and you gave up alcohol.
Yes, sir. And moreover, my immunity. Every time, whenever there was season change, I used to fall sick. And now you won't believe, my husband was COVID positive. I did not contract.
Super. Great.
My
Tell me one-
students, the ladies in my batch, their husbands are positive, they are negative. And 2 students in my batch, ladies, they were positive, but they bounced back within 2-3 days
Ah,
because of breathing, pranayamas.
this is what people are not realizing, Anchal. You, before this corona attacking, start practicing so that you are protected, you are shielded. Okay, let me ask you, so you started journey in the month of January. So first month, how many students you acquired first month?
Sir, actually, I started teaching well before my training in July. August, I did 100 hours. So till December, I had 4-5 students in those 4-5 months. After January, I increased from 1 batch to 2nd batch to 3rd batch, mouth of word, references. I just sticked myself to pure yoga. I didn't attract any crowd by sponsoring my ads on Facebook or Instagram or anything. I didn't attract my crowd by just taking follow-ups, running after them. Earlier, my fees was very low. People were not coming. And I increased my fees from January because now I'm 200 hours.
Why did you
I've done
increase?
200 hours now.
Why did you increase the fees? Who told you?
Because I, my mentor, yes, because you were there always, sir, to teach us that don't devalue yourself. That is what I was doing.
Very good. So credit, you give it to me.
People who are serious, they will come.
So credit comes
Obviously,
to me.
sir. Yes,
Then
exactly.
You have
Nothing to hide.
You have to give me some share.
Sure.
I'm just kidding. See, Anchal, all the yoga teachers, see, my intention and Bodhi intention is that we want to uplift the value of yoga path. Right? So
Yes, sir.
what happens in the society? Yoga teachers means they think that we are some, some roadside fellows. We are not. We are corporate professionals. We have become yoga teachers.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to take the value of yoga teachers to next level, and every yoga teacher has to travel in car. Why not? Is my challenge. So fantastic. So what you are saying, after increasing the fees, what happened?
People actually realized, अरे ये महंगा है, ये अच्छा होगा. फीस
Ah,
कम था, आधा था, तो they used to feel कि ये तो ये रेगुलर क्लास होगा, हाथ ऊपर हाथ नीचे कराने वाला, छोड़ो उसको. और ऑनलाइन में क्या दिखेगा? But when my students started spreading their results, I started posting before and after pictures. When my students got rid of 7-year-old PCOD, one of my students' thyroid dosage reduced from 75 mg to 25 mg.
1 second.
Like results were like squashing.
1 second, Anchal. Somebody who suffered with PCOD 7 years, how much time it took for her to come out of it? How much time? 1 month to how many months?
3 months.
So in 3 months, she's
with
normal now.
3 months with normal, without medication, having her cycles right on date, no cyst, no clots, no pain, no cramp. She's happy. She doesn't even tell me that I'm on my period and I don't want to attend class today. I don't even get to know. She's as normal as others.
Excellent. Great news. Now tell me, how do you feel when students come and say that, Anchal madam, my health problem is improved? How do you feel?
Sir, I get tears in my eyes when someone tells me, Anchal, I got rid of my BP tablets. Anchal, my thyroid dosage is reduced. Anchal, I had shoulder arthritis. My shoulder feels so strong. I couldn't hold plank for 10 seconds. And sir, today I took a plank challenge in my class today morning. I held the plank for 1 minute 37 seconds, and one student held it for more than 3 minutes. Can you believe? And she has texted me on WhatsApp that earlier when I used to go gymming, maximum I could hold was 40 seconds. And today I can hold beyond 3 minutes. This is the power of yoga.
So you tell me you are now earning, and student satisfaction, which gives more happy to you, the money or the student satisfaction?
Sir, see, whenever I close my session, the smiles on their face, the contentment of that 1 hour, that makes my day. That is more than even lakhs or crores of rupees.
Very good, Anchal.
That
So-
is what gives me good health. That is what motivates me to spread love, spread happiness, spread yoga. That's my motive.
Fantastic. Now, last thing. So now you started earning. Now you stopped working, whatever reasons you had. Now you are earning. How are you feeling financially?
Obviously, sir, financial independence is one of the most satisfying things. I was doing business, I was earning, but now I would like to share a good news that I have bought an apartment of my own in Mumbai in March. Just because now I can afford an EMI with my yoga income, I can help my husband out with the EMI. I had never dreamt of even owning a 1 BHK here. नहीं था मेरे capacity में उतना, because I had taken a break after my pregnancy. So wherever I would have started as a in a job or something, I would have started as a beginner, as a fresher. So that inferiority and everything would have prevailed. But now I'm like very confident. My work is speaking for me, and it's blessings with me. So now I own a 3 BHK in Mumbai.
And no, boss, you are not working for anybody.
No boss.
Working from
Boss
home.
of my own.
You have become fit. All health problems solved. All bad habits stopped.
Absolutely.
And you become like college girl.
Content.
Contentment, and you're helping husband. What else you need? We need Anchal.
I keep telling people I was cranky. I was chidchidi. I was shouting, screaming. अरे पानी गिरा दिया. अरे ऐसा कर दिया. And now I'm गिरा दिया पानी. कोई बात नहीं. बच्चा है. पोछा लगा दो हो गया. I'm like calm, peaceful. So what? If I don't have abs, I'm happy. So what? People come to me. I want to learn headstand. I want to learn arms, this handstand, sarvangasana, shoulder stand. I want to do chakrasan. I want to do this. I want to do that. I'm a trainer. Even if my students exceed my level, I'm still happy. This is what real yoga is. I just want to be happy in my life. Because COVID has taught us so many things. If this COVID cannot teach people, then I don't think anything else can open the eyes.
I'm super happy, Anchal. Why don't you work with Bodhi?
Thank you, sir.
You don't want to work for me?
I'm really lucky to be connected to Bodhi, sir. That would be my good luck if I get a chance to work with Bodhi.
Okay. See, listen, I look for, matured trainers. Yeah. So there is tremendous maturity is reflecting, during our discussion. I will ask HR team to speak to you. Without disturbing your classes, see whether you can do something for Bodhi. So you get little more income. And working in a team is good, always working with in a group gives a lot of satisfaction. Okay, I am
Obviously,
super
sir.
happy.
Wherever I go off track, Bodhi team will be there to brush me up and polish me and bring back right on track.
Let me ask you one question. So in 4 months, you got 23 students. When can I hear you from you 50 students number? What is your gut feeling?
Few months more, sir. Just I am in a way of shifting my apartment and all. So maybe I won't be exceeding my batches right away since I'll be overburdened with work. But very soon, you'll get to know.
Super. And when the day you touch the 50 students, call me. That day I will hire you and you work with me directly. I want
Done,
to
sir.
for that. And my gut feeling is in another 3 months time, you'll have 50 students minimum.
Maybe lesser time, sir.
Lesser than. Super. See, that is the confidence that, yes, mind. If you say yes here, it will happen.
It just takes effort to light the spark. Once the spark is lit, it just spreads on its own. Yoga is that light.
Fantastic, Anchal. Let us work together. Let us spread. Let us make people healthy. And let us live peacefully and joyfully.
Obviously. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anchal.
Yes.
I'm so happy to interact with you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.
God
Good day
bless
to
you.
you, sir.
Let's keep in touch.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay? Bye-bye.
Yes.